Honey, you won't believe it. There's a fantastic sale at the market, and they're offering a 50% discount on dresses. I've been eyeing a few, and I really want to buy at least 6 of them.
6 dresses? Are you sure we need that many? I mean, it's a great deal. But is it necessary to buy so many at once?
Well, you know, it's not every day that we get a 50% discount. I can't resist it. Besides, a woman can never have too many dresses, right?
I get it. Sales are tempting, but remember, this isn't the last sale in the world. There will be more in the future. Why not buy just 1 or 2 for now? And we can always shop again when another great sale comes along.
You're probably right, but I've had my eye on these dresses for a while now, and I'm worried they'll be sold out or the prices will go up later. What if we compromise and go for, say, 3 dresses? Not too many, but still more than just 1 or 2.
3 dresses, huh? Well, that's a bit more reasonable. It's not too extravagant, and you'll get to take advantage of the sale. Okay. Let's go with 3, but only if you promise not to regret it later.
I promise, I won't regret it. 3 dresses it is. You're the best, darling.
You're welcome, and I'm glad we could find a compromise. Just remember, we have to stick to the budget, even during sales.
Of course, we'll stay within our budget. These dresses are just too good to pass up, and I appreciate your understanding. Oh, look at this one. It's so elegant, and the color would look great on me.
It is lovely. Go ahead and pick that one. That's 1 dress down.
Thank you, dear. Now, let's find another gem. How about this one? It's perfect for parties.
I like that one too. That's 2 dresses. Just 1 more to go.
This last dress is a tough choice. I've narrowed it down to these 2. What do you think?
Well, both are beautiful, but let's think practically. Which one can you see yourself wearing more often?
That's a good point. This one is more versatile, and I can dress it up or down. Plus, it's on a steeper discount.
Sounds like a solid choice. So, we have our 3 dresses. You happy with the selection?
Absolutely. Thanks for helping me decide, and for not letting me go overboard.
You're welcome, dear. Remember, sales will come and go, but our budget stays steady. Now, let's head to the checkout, and you can enjoy your new dresses.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.